Hello, and welcome to the day before the Rolling Rally. A little bit of background on what the Rolling Rally is. We will be riding through various areas, visiting BMW luminaries, on our way to the MOA Rally. If you don't know, it's the 50th anniversary of the MOA, but even more exciting is it's the 100th anniversary of BMW motorcycles. So we'll be doing this rolling rally. Along the way, we're going to be having BMW luminaries sign the front fender of my ISDT replica bike. And after we're all done with the trip, and after the MOA rally is all done, I'm sure we'll find some more luminaries down at the MOA rally that can sign the front fender. We will then be auctioning off that front fender for charity. So it's all going for a good cause. So you want to know where we're going to be at and when we're going to be at that location, please go to vintagebmw.org. At the top of the screen, you will see a link that says the Rolling Rally. Click on it, and then you'll see our full itinerary. Okay, please feel free to join us for breakfast, or with the luminaries, or for dinner, or whatever. If you just want to come and just visit us for one location, that's great. If you want to meet us at several locations, that's fine too. We're looking forward to seeing you. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you down to the ISDT bike that I built specifically for this trip and show you a little bit about that ISDT bike. I did not do a cosmetic restoration on it. It was simply a mechanical restoration. I have some of those videos posted, but I don't have them all right now. Okay, so I will be, the video editing process takes a little bit of time, so I will be doing more video editing. I will be putting more videos online, so you'll see the full rebuild process of everything I did there. I rebuilt everything. I just didn't paint or do a cosmetic restoration. So you'll see all that on vintagebmw.org. You go to Knowledge Base, you go to videos, or you can go to YouTube where you found this video on our channel. So without further ado, we're going to go down and look at the bike. So here's the ISDT replica bike that I will be riding for the Rolling Rally. You'll see that I also hooked up the camera mount here, and I'm actually going to probably do a little video on this 6-volt charger that I did, because this is still a 6-volt system on here, but I did a 6-volt charger and I made it up, so I'll probably do a little video on that. A little Rube Goldberg, but it works great actually to charge my iPhone and the camera all at the same time. So this is the front fender. It's actually an R27 fender that I put together and mounted high. And this is the fender that will be signed by various BMW luminaries, and then we'll auction that off. But yeah, so this is the motorcycle I'll be riding. I'm looking forward to the ride. I'm looking forward to meeting everybody. There'll be book signings at Roland Slaban's house as well as Chris Betjeman's place, and I'm looking forward to that. So looking forward to seeing you. Looking forward to seeing you either at the various locations or at the MOA event. Thanks for watching.